So there are a few little tricks that I use for my own lips. So I do have a couple of vertical lines on my lower lip, and I don't believe in using fillers. Now we have a couple of new lipsticks for sale at Pervez now, and one of the lipsticks is called Make 8, which is a flesh coloured lipstick, a nude. And I don't normally wear nudes. The only colours I've always worn are usually soft pink colours for my face. But I tried it and it seemed to work very well. And one thing I noticed quite by accident was that it seems to cover up any lines underneath my lip. So what I do now is I use my Make 8 lipstick and I just go underneath where there are vertical wrinkles, just underneath my lower lip. I draw a little bit of my Make 8 lipstick onto the area, and it seems to have the effect, the illusionary effect of not being able to see the lines. So that was one little trick. Now the other thing you can use is to draw attention to your Cupid's bow. It will make the lips stand out a little bit nicer. So one way of doing this is to use the champagne eyeshadow, and I often use just a small brush for this, and I take a little bit of the champagne eyeshadow and just put it onto the Cupid's bow, just a little bit, and around the outer edge. And then I just massage it, and it gives a little bit of a, just brings the lips out a little bit. Then I'm going to use my nude lip pencil to draw in on the lips, on the outer part of the lips. I don't go all the way out, I just do it on the central area. That will help to contain the lipstick. Now the second colour that I like to use is something called Scarlet. And I never was able to wear red lipsticks before, but this one seems to work really well. Now normally I use a lip brush, but I know that most of you don't, so I'm just going to apply lipstick as most people would do. And that is my Scarlet lipstick, and I really love it. And for an evening, I will often now wear my Scarlet lipstick. But for the daytime, I like it a little bit more muted. So what I started doing is applying my Make 8 lip gloss, which is the same colour as the Make 8 lipstick, which is again a flesh coloured lip gloss. And I just apply it on top of the Scarlet. And this colour for me comes out just perfect. So that is just a few little tips on how to do a makeup. Now my makeup only takes me a maximum of 5 minutes in the morning. I'm not interested in doing a makeup that takes me an hour or 2 hours to do. So yes, you can do a lot more. I can do fillers, I can do shaders, I can contour my face, but I just want to have a little something just to make myself feel good when I go out. So a little bit of lippy. I'm using 2 colours now, my Scarlet underneath, my Make 8 lip gloss on top. I have my Make 8 lipstick underneath, actually on the skin, which seems to downplay that I have vertical wrinkles. How cool is that? And then of course I have my eyeshadow and a little bit of foundation, not too much, with a little Summer Sun bronzer. Apply a little bit of Cake mascara and you're done. So very few products used. So if you have any questions, please leave comments below or contact me directly. Otherwise, it's bye for now.